This 2015 Forest River R-Pod 179 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, external shower, smoke detector, water heater, spare tire kit, slide-out, DVD player, skylight, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, and 36 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2015 Forest River R-Pod 179 is 2,630 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.